Welcome to this video. I will show you how to get free Robux. This is working and probably the easiest method. And yeah, it's better than Microsoft Rewards because Microsoft Rewards takes really long. So just search up Rbx.Best. You need to enter your username. I've already entered mine, but it won't ask you for the password unless you verified your account on this. But anyways, it'll come up with all of this once you've entered your username. And yeah, there's all these offer walls and everything, like here, lootably. I have lots of things I can do, like all of this, but I would not suggest doing that, as it's gonna take you ages. Like, this looks like it's paying a lot, but you might take ages doing this, extremely long. And yeah, I wouldn't do it. This, for example, is just install, open, register, download 2 apps. Yeah, okay, that's all right. Yeah, a lot of these, look at this, install and open. So yeah, it's just a free 16 Robux. But yeah, there's only like one or two things that are actually good on these offer walls, and then after that they're all bad. So the best way you can make Robux on this is doing surveys. Your surveys is probably the best. There are others, but they don't pay as high. For this 70 Robux one, it takes about 15 minutes. You just have to answer all those questions truthfully, and maybe you will get lucky and qualify for a survey. Anyways, so if, for example, if I've earned 70 Robux from a survey, I'd have to go on to withdraw and then search up and then type out how many Robux I want to withdraw to my account. For example, 70. When I press withdraw, what it's meant to do is bring me to the link to one of my games where I can change the VIP server price to what it tells you. Change the price of your VIP server to what it tells you. So it's 70 here, so it's gonna ask me to make it 100 because of Roblox taking 30% of your your revenue, what you make from your private servers and game passes. So yeah, it says right here, a pop-up will appear. Select your Roblox user. After selecting your user, a pop-up will appear showing one of your games. You must enable VIP servers on the game that shows up and set it to the price that it asks. Click withdraw and your Robux will be sent to your Roblox account. It will take 5 to 7 days for the Robux to show. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. The only downside is, it takes 5 to 7 days, so you might have to wait a while. There are also other stuff you can do, like videos, watching videos to earn. You can subscribe to all the other socials, and there is giveaways, but these are all bad and luck based. So yeah, honestly, you should just do your surveys. And I mean, you can, if you like actually want to make a lot, you can. If I look here, go on my name account, and then I should find, yeah, history. I've made 529, and yeah, it's not that hard. It's pretty simple, and yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and give me more ideas in the comments. Bye.